Hi everyone, my name is Jonathan, and today I'm going to be walking you through the new HP 15.6-inch modular laptop backpack. Whether you're on the go across town or the globe, you need a lightweight and durable backpack that can go anywhere with you. With this backpack, take only what you need, nothing more, nothing less, since you can carry the sleeve and the included pouch around separately, especially in those moments when you don't know what you'll need to transport at any given moment. You can rely on the backpack that gives you options. Since it is 3 products in one, you can use the full laptop backpack, or you can remove the sleeve and detach the included pouch when you want to travel light. And let us not forget that it also comes with a shoulder strap, simplifying your commute. Now, let's walk through the multiple configurations. First up, the backpack itself has a sleek design ready for any adventure, with its 27-liter capacity that includes a broad range of internal and external pockets across the backpack, sleeve, and pouch, while the self-attaching fabric holds it all together. But there's more. Remove the sleeve effortlessly, pull the hidden handles out, and now you have a lightweight briefcase carry option for your PC, journal, and more. And that's not all. The sleeve and pouch can seamlessly attach to one another, providing extra storage without the bulk. Need to go hands-free? Simply clip the shoulder strap to the pouch on the durable D-rings, transforming it into a stylish crossbody bag. Inside the pouch, you can find several pockets, including an RFID pocket, making it perfect for those smaller essentials like your keys, wallet, or even a power bank. Or, for added convenience, tuck the hidden handles back into their dedicated slot and attach the shoulder strap to the sleeve, creating an over-the-shoulder briefcase perfect for urban commutes. And for the ultimate flexibility, combine the sleeve, pouch, and shoulder strap together for a messenger bag ideal for those business meetings. Now, let us jump into the incredible features that this bag has to offer. First up, we have security features. This bag offers you lockable zippers, an RFID pocket within the pouch, and a back panel pocket to help keep your valuables closer to you. Next, we have the comfort features. This bag provides you with padded shoulder straps, a padded back mesh panel, and of course, a sternum strap for that extra needed support. Now, the good old travel features. This bag comes equipped with a trolley strap and provides you with multiple pockets internally and externally, granting your stuff its own dedicated spot. Need a place for your headphones? We also have you covered with a loop just for that. The backpack also has 2 side pockets for a water bottle, umbrella, or even if you wish to keep your devices charged, there's a cable pass-through. You can rest assured that this backpack is built to last with its water-resistant twill polyester fabric. In addition, it comes with a water-resistant rain cover to protect your stuff from what all of Mother Nature throws at you. Last but not least, let's talk about sustainability. This is a functional laptop backpack that you can really feel good about wearing, since it is made up of 51% post-consumer recycled plastic, as well as consisting of a whopping 61 plastic bottles. Thank you so much for checking out the new HP 15.6-inch modular laptop backpack.